Oracle Cloud Procurement. Hi, my name is Scott Walls, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Suppliers application in Oracle Cloud. So let's get started. Slide 1. What is the Suppliers application in Oracle Cloud ERP? The Suppliers application automates the creation of third-party payees and sourcing event bidders. A supplier is a person or business that provides a product or service to another entity. Slide 2. What types and subtypes of suppliers can be created in Oracle Cloud ERP? First, what they call spend authorized suppliers. So these suppliers can be used for sourcing, contracting, ordering, invoicing, and paying. The second type will be prospective suppliers, also known as bidders. They would primarily be involved in sourcing, but can also have contracts created for them. Slide 3. Who creates suppliers in Oracle Cloud ERP? Well, the initiators are as follows. Suppliers, when they externally register, so that's the public-facing page. Requesters can do what's called an internal registration, so very similar to the external, smaller set of pages, but then someone inside the Oracle licensee can register on behalf of the supplier. Next, a requester can suggest a supplier as part of the requisition creation process. Then a supplier administrator can register suppliers on behalf of that supplier as well. And then finally, a supplier manager can register suppliers, and they also approve prospective suppliers to do a process called promotion, where the bidder becomes a supplier. Slide 4. How are suppliers created within Oracle Cloud ERP? Well, there's 6 methods. Those methods are as follows. Manually using the online pages, internal registration pages, we talked about those. External registration page, we just talked about those where the supplier uses the publicly facing page. Then there's something called File-Based Data Import, or FBDI. This is essentially a spreadsheet mapped to tables where you can upload suppliers en masse. Then there's manually via promotion, meaning the prospective supplier or bidder gets promoted to become a spend authorized supplier. And then finally, again using promotion, but this time not using the promotion button on the prospective supplier, but when you award to a prospective supplier, the promotion process and its questions are called automatically. Slide 5. When are suppliers created within Oracle Cloud ERP's procurement process? Let's take a look at the process. First, you have the pre-negotiated purchasing process, where there's requests that generate orders and goods are received at desk or dock. But if you can't find pre-negotiated content, you use a non-catalog request to request non-negotiated content, meaning you have to find the supplier, might have to do non-financial or pre-purchase contracts. You may source with them. Then of course you need a purchase contract, and you may create content or you may create orders. So of course the suppliers will be created in the first step of the sourcing services process. Okay, that's the introduction to the Suppliers application in Oracle Cloud. Have questions? Reach out to me directly using the link below. Want to learn how to create a supplier in Oracle Cloud? Check out my free online course on Panameer.com. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.